See, so many business owners make the mistake of hiring, and I did this too. You hire people and you immediately, quote, empower them to do their job. You're like, hey, come in, you're talent, you got this job, it's your job, take it and run with it and be successful. Problem is that is a recipe for failure right from the start. There's two things. I'll go through the E3 method, and then I also want to share with you why core values are so important. So let me share with you the E3 method. That stands for educate, equip, and empower. You have to take somebody onto your team and you have to first educate them. If I said to you, hey, I'm going to teach you how to be a better golfer, and I talk to you all about how to swing a club and how to use the fairway and then chip onto the green, but I never actually give you a club and some balls to go hit, and you're just like, okay, here you go. Oh, wait, I need a tee? You never showed me that. What we typically talk about is I do it, we do it, they do it. And so the educate is like, I'm gonna do it first. I'm gonna show you how to do this. If it's a sales position, I'm gonna get on a call. I'm gonna show you how to make the sale. I'm gonna show you the script. We're gonna practice it. Then equip is I'm actually gonna give you a copy of the script, or I'm gonna give you the software or the tool or the thing that's gonna help you be successful. And that's often what we do as business owners. We're like, all right, go hit a round of golf and like, hopefully you do well, but we've never shown them and we've never equipped them with the tools necessary to be successful before we empower them. And that is clearly the process to optimize your team. You have to educate them, equip them, and empower them. And that actually follows the I, we, they. The educate is the I stage. The equipping is now the we stage. I've given you everything. We do it together, right? And now they can be successful. When you follow the E3 method, it allows you to optimize your team for massive success because they now truly feel empowered because you've given it to them, but you've shown them how to do it. And then how that all comes together is when it falls in line with your core values. So we have 5 values that we talk about through our team, and we use that throughout the E3 method. And when we take this team who we've educated, equipped, and empowered, when we work with them and we review what we review with them every 90 days, as a leadership team, we look at each one of our team members and we say, okay, 0 to 5, 5 being the highest, 0 being the lowest. How do I rank this team member in each one of those values? So say relationships, 5 being the highest, 0 the lowest. Let's say they're a 4. Anything less than a 3 or less is something we need to create an action plan for improvement. It doesn't mean we let them go. It just means we now got to circle back and go, is it something we need to educate, something we need to equip, or is there more empowerment that needs to happen to help them in that core value? When we do that, we take the E3 with the optimization and we then come in and we can run alongside them to support them. That's how you truly optimize a team. The problem is if we don't have values that are clearly established, you don't have a clear accountability chart of like, this is your role and your responsibility. How can you possibly and clearly educate them, equip them with the right tools, and then empower them if none of those things are in place? And so as a business owner, when we have to look at letting somebody go, I think the first step always for me is I have to look in the mirror. I have to look in the mirror first and say, is it them? Meaning, is it the right person, or is it the right person but they're in the wrong seat, right? And then have I done everything I can to follow the E3 method? Have I truly given them the education it takes to do their job? And have I been clear about the agreement in that? Have I equipped them properly, meaning I have given them all of the tools and resources to be successful and to really dominate that job? And then have I truly empowered them to do it? Meaning, have I given you the job and not tried to take it back? Have I been supportive in everything you've tried to do? If those 3 things line up, and now I look at the core values and they're falling in line with that, and I still think I have to let them go, then there's something that they're either the wrong person or the right person in the wrong seat. And that's where you can make those changes. Follow the E3 method, have clear roles and responsibilities, clear in your core values. When those 3 things come together, you will truly optimize your team for massive success in your business.